Hello, my name is Yanti Suminto. I will present my presentation about Federal Reserve System. Vocabulary: reserve, cadangan; overseeing, mengatur; government, pemerintah; Fed, makan; branch, lahan; district, daerah; council, dewan; health, mengadakan; funds, uang; senat, primarily, terutama; monetary, moneter; influencing, mempengaruhi; unemployment, pengangguran; abroad, tersebar; eksekutif, pelaksanaan; kongres, budget, bergerak; frequent, sering; conduct, kelakuan. Main idea: the definition of the Federal Reserve System, the function of the Federal Reserve System, the responsibilities and controlling the money supply, the financial policy of the Federal Reserve System. The Federal Reserve System, as an independent agency of the United States government, is charged with overseeing the national banking system. Since 1913, the Federal Reserve System, commonly called the Fed, has served as the central bank for the United States. The system consists of 12 district reserve banks and their branch office, along with several committees and councils. All national commercial banks are required by law to be members of the Fed, and all deposit-taking institutions like credit unions are subject to regulation by Fed regarding the amount of deposit funds that must be held in reserve and by definition, therefore, are not available for loans. The most powerful body is 7-member Board of Governors is Washington, appointed by the President and by the Senate. The system primary function is to control monetary policy by influencing the cost and availability of money and credit through the purchase and sale of government securities. If the Federal Reserve provides too little money, interest rates tend to be high. Borrowing is expensive. Business activity slows down. Unemployment goes up, and danger of recession is augmented if there is too much money. Interest rate decline, and borrowing can lead to excess demand, passing up price and fueling inflation. The Fed has several responsibilities in addition to controlling the money supply. In collaboration with the U.S. Department of the Treasury, the Fed puts new coin and paper currency into circulation by using them to bank. It also supervises the activities of member bank board and regulates certain aspects of international finance. It has been said that the Federal Reserve is actually a fourth branch of the United States government because it is composed of national policy makers. However, in practice, the Federal Reserve does not stray from the financial policy established by the executive branch of the government, although it is true that the Fed does not depend on Congress for budget allocation and therefore is free from the partisan politics that influence most of the other governmental bodies It is still responsible for frequent reports to the Congress on the conduct of monetary policy. Conclusion: the Federal Reserve is the agency tasked to monitor and control the banking system.